everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm super excited because this is one of my first videos I've ever done, and so I'm a bit unsure if you'll like it. I hope you do. This sequence is set up for people who work behind the computer for a long time, like me. So when I come back from work and I feel like I just need to, relax and stretch, nothing too difficult, I think this is perfect. So enjoy. Alright, let's sit in a comfortable position. Straighten our spine. Pull the head towards the ceiling. Chin slightly towards your neck. Close your eyes. And turn your attention towards your body. Towards your breath. We want to breathe only with our nose. Last deep breath in and breathe out. And now slowly open our eyes. Reach right arm up with inhalation and exhale. Pull your head to the right. Breathe. Your left arm is pulling away from your body. Inhale and exhale, put your head forward to the right shoulder. And again, breathe. Great, release your arm. Inhale and lift both arms up. Straighten your spine. Great, now entangle your hands behind your head and pull your head gently forward. Breathe deeply into your chest to stretch your neck muscles, but also muscles along your spine. Inhale, reach your arms back up, nice and strong, and release. Inhale your left arm up and pull your head to the left. Your right arm is again pulling away from your body. Inhale. And with exhalation, pull your head forward towards your left shoulder. And breathe. Inhale again your left arm up, and this time we'll tilt our body to the right side. Look towards our left arm. Breathe in, lengthen our left arm and breathe out. Bend a little bit more. Inhale, back to the center. Rise your right arm up, and with exhalation we'll tilt the body to the left. Look towards our right arm. Breathe, lengthen, and bend a little bit more. With exhalation, we'll go back to the center. Now we'll switch our legs so it's nicely balanced, and we'll continue in the seated position. Straighten your spine and put your palms on your shoulders. We'll do big circles forward and backwards. Now we'll make it a bit harder, so we'll do the circle small backwards and forward. Try to do it as slow as possible. And release. Great job. Now we'll do a rotation. Put your left arm on your right knee and your right arm behind your back. Inhale, strengthen the spine, and with exhalation slowly rotate to the right. Lumbar spine goes first, then chest, and neck goes as last. Breathe. Release. This time, the right arm goes on the left knee, left arm goes behind your back. Inhale, and with exhalation, rotate slowly again. First lumbar spine, then chest. And if you don't have any problems with neck, turn your neck as well. Great, and release. Now we'll move to all four position, tabletop position. So let's put our knees right below our hips and our palms right below our shoulders. With inhalation we'll arch and exhale, bend, cat and cow. Again, inhale, arch. Look up and exhale, bend, chin to your chest. Inhale, arch. Exhale, bend nicely like a cat. And last time, inhale, look up a little bit and exhale. Great, now we'll transition to puppy pose, so put your palms forward and you can put your forehead on the mat. Just watch out that the hips stay in the same position, they didn't move forward or backward, they stayed as they were in the table position. If you want a deeper stretch, you can put your chin on the mat and look forward. And of course, don't forget to breathe. And slowly release, open the chest. It's great for shoulder opening as well. Again, watch out if you have problems with your shoulders. Great, now let's go back and we'll do downward facing dog. So put your tiptoes to the mat and slowly lift up. It's our first downward facing dog today, so we'll walk out the feet. Now stretch only the right leg. Push the heel to the mat. And now change. Left leg is stretched. Breathe. Now we can slowly stabilize ourselves in the position. Make sure that primarily your back is straight. We are not fighting for legs being straight here. The most important is your back. So don't worry if your feet cannot reach the ground and your knees are bent. Great. Now lift your right leg up and move it towards your palms into the pigeon pose. Now here it's important to check if your hips are facing both forwards, meaning that you are not leaning on your right hip. Now settle down. Your back leg is in the center of your mat. You want to open your chest. And let's stay here a little bit, few breaths. And now release down over your right leg. And relax. Breathe. Enjoy. Great, let's lift up, back on our palms, and let's move to our plank pose. Nice and strong. Exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. We'll stay here a little bit. Open your chest. And with exhalation, push back to your downward facing dog. Again, we can walk out our feet. And let's stabilize in the position again. Few deep breaths. Great job. Let's lift our left leg up and again move it to pigeon position. Let's check our hips again. If they are facing forward and we are not falling to our left side. And open our chest. Breathe in. Breathe out. And with exhalation, let's lie down. Release our back over the left leg and relax. Long, deep breaths. Let's lift slowly up, and this time we'll move back to seated position. Again, anything that's comfortable for you, and we'll stretch our wrists. Firstly, top of our palms on the floor, fingers facing the body. Try to strengthen your arms as well. Now let's put the palms on the floor, fingers still facing our body. One more time, top of our palms on the mat, and this time fingers are facing each other. Let's close our fingers into the wrists and open again. And close and open, release. Let's check it out. And let's put our legs to the butterfly pose. Tangle our palms below our feet. Open our legs like a book. Now really here you have to straighten your spine. And you can wiggle with your knees up and down if you wish to. It really helps me to open a little bit more. And release. Well done. Now straight the right leg forward and put your left foot into the right thigh. Now bend over the right leg and just relax. Release. Try to bend from your hips. Don't worry if you cannot reach as far as I can. This will come with time and regularity of doing this pose. Release. And now we'll switch legs. So your right leg will be bent now, and we'll bend over our left leg. And again, long deep breaths. Never forget about the breathing. And enjoy the stretch of your hamstrings, but also of your spine. Now let's continue with the cradle. So take your knees with your hands and just start wiggling back and forth. Massage your spine. I love this personally because this gives me such a good feeling. And this time just cross our legs, go on your knees, put the top of your feet firmly on the mat, and now put your palms on your lumbar spine, fingers facing downwards, or even better, if you can, put the fingers facing upwards. And now just inhale, prolong the spine, and exhale, bend backwards. Be very careful in this position. If you have any sort of pain in your lumbar spine, stop doing this. Otherwise, enjoy, open your chest. You can breathe with your mouth, it's much easier in this position. And release, perfect. Let's go down to the child's pose to release our lumbar spine. Our arms are in front of our body, pushing into the mat to push the butt towards our heels even further and stretch the lumbar spine. Breathe. And now just relax your arms along the body and enjoy the release of the muscles along the spine. If you have more time today, you can go and lie down to Shavasana pose or perhaps meditate. It's up to you, up to your time possibilities. But for today, it's all from my side. I thank you very much for joining me. I hope you liked it. And I'll be very happy to see you next time. Namaste.